Hello everyone. Myself Jeswin Noel Raj, working as a BTP consultant at Mobolutions. My expertise lies in architecting and implementing end-to-end integration scenarios between SAP and non-SAP systems. In this session, I will be providing a comprehensive overview of the integration suite service within SAP Business Technology Platform. If you are just getting started with SAP BTP and would like to explore its core pillars and key capabilities, I encourage you all to check out the foundational webinars available on our channel. They offer a great starting point to deepen your understanding and build a strong knowledge base. Before we dive into the topic, I would like to quickly explain what integration means in the context of SAP and how the SAP integration suite as part of SAP BTP plays a critical role in enabling seamless connectivity and delivering real value in business scenarios. In most companies today, there is a mix of SAP and non-SAP systems running their apps on cloud, some within a company servers or in hybrid environments. The problem here is the systems don't always talk to each other properly. So teams end up doing the same data entry in multiple systems that eats up a lot of time and leads to duplicate records and delays, all of which affect the customer experience. That's where SAP integration suite comes in. It acts like a middleware that connects SAP and non-SAP systems and ensures data flow smoothly without manual effort. To fully leverage the SAP BTP integration suite, it's essential to first understand its core capabilities, and that's exactly what I will walk you through now. We will start with cloud integration. It synchronizes your applications and systems by automating end to end business processes and make sure data flows smoothly between systems. Next, we have API management. This capability allows you to securely expose, monitor, and manage APIs, ensuring optimal performance and governance. Moving on to open connectors. It's a powerful feature that comes with pre-built connectors, which simplifies integration with popular third-party applications like Salesforce, Dropbox, and DocuSign. Another key capability is Event Mesh, which brings real-time responsiveness into your ecosystem, and it enables systems to instantly react to business events, ensuring timely communication with customers or to their internal teams. And finally, here comes the Integration Advisor. It's an AI-driven tool that streamlines the process of mapping and transforming data between disparate systems, significantly reduces the effort and complexity involved. To ensure a seamless customer experience and maintain efficient business operations, one key requirement stands out is our system must communicate effectively with each other. This is exactly where SAP cloud integration becomes essential in various landscapes. Think of it as a smart delivery services for your data. It knows precisely where the data needs to go and how it should be structured between systems in real time. It comes with pre-built connectors and adapters, which helps us to integrate with SAP systems, third-party applications like Salesforce, or even legacy on-premise systems. It uses integration flows, which are like predefined workflows that guides you step by step how data is received, transformed, and routed. Now let's focus on one of the foundational component called iFlow. It enables seamless system-to-system communication within the SAP integration suite. Think of an iFlow as the complete end-to-end journey of data that from the source system to the receiver system. But it's more than just a pipeline. It can transform the data structures based on the business logic. It reroutes the messages and proactively manage exceptions or failures through alerts and notifications. Imagine you are operating an online retail platform while your warehouse management system runs separately. These two systems are not naturally connected. When a customer places an order, your store captures the data. But how does that information reach the warehouse? This is where the high flow steps in, acts as both the translator and the delivery agent. It picks up the order, converts it into a format how the warehouse system understands and delivers it reliably. And if something goes wrong in between, like the item being out of stock or the system being temporarily unavailable, the iFlow is designed in such a way to detect that and raise an alerts to trigger automated responses by notifying the customers. In a nutshell, I would say iFlow serves as the smart connectors that integrate your business processes, reducing manual effort and improving speed, accuracy, and responsiveness. In today's digital landscape, APIs play a foundational role in enabling transformation. They serve as the backbone of connectivity, allowing different systems, whether SAP or third-party applications, to communicate securely in real time. Imagine a scenario where one application requires data from another. How it can be done? Through an API. A request is made, processed seamlessly behind the scenes, and a response is returned often in just milliseconds. If you look at this diagram, you will notice that SAP Integration Suite supports the full API lifecycle from design to deployment phase. And once an API is ready, it can even be published for internal use or exposed to partners through enterprise apps. In some cases, helping companies generate revenue by offering API based services. Nowadays, APIs play a critical role in driving core business operations. However, when an API fails or begins underperforming, it doesn't just affect a single business function. It can delay critical processes, impact customer satisfaction, and even introduce compliance risk, all of which can be costly for the business. This is exactly where the SAP integration suite provides a powerful API monitoring capability. It's a real time dashboard that provides deep visibility into API usage, performance, and potential errors. With built in alerts and intelligent insights, your team can proactively identify anomalies like usage spikes or repeated failures and resolve them before they escalate into bigger issues. Organizations are increasingly relying on APIs to seamlessly connect systems and accelerate their digital transformation journeys. Whether it's integrating SAP with platforms like Salesforce or bridging internal applications, APIs and iFlows have become the backbone of modern integration. However, building these integrations from the ground level can be both time consuming and technically complex, requiring significant effort to design, test, and deploy effectively. To address this, SAP provides a rich library of pre built integration content, including ready to use APIs, iFlows, event triggers, and complete end to end business scenarios, all accessible from a single centralized platform. They come with robust documentation, real world use cases, and are designed to function seamlessly across both SAP and non SAP systems such as Salesforce, Google Drive, and much more. We all face the challenge of managing an ever growing number of cloud applications. Each application comes with its own unique APIs, data formats, and authentication methods. Manually connecting these systems often demands extensive custom coding, time investment, and ongoing maintenance. This is precisely where SAP Open Connectors provides a comprehensive library of pre-built connectors for over 160 widely used third-party applications such as Dropbox and Google Drive. Think of it as a universal charger that works seamlessly with any device. To illustrate, consider a scenario where your sales team uses Salesforce while your finance team operates within SAP. Traditionally, synchronizing customer data between these two systems would require complex custom development. But with open connectors, however, whenever a new customer is added in Salesforce, their details are instantly and automatically updated in SAP. This eliminates manual data uploads and endless email exchanges. The result is a real time, accurate, and effortless integration experience. Now, let's bring everything we have talked about into a real life scenario and see how SAP integration suite actually helps in the banking sector, specifically for automating the loan processing. To really understand the impact, let's walk through two different approaches, the old manual way and then the modern automated experience using SAP BTP. So let's say there is a customer named Caitlin. She walks into a bank and applies for a loan of 2 lakh rupees. She speaks to a bank representative who gives her a physical form to fill out with all her personal and financial details. She submits her ID proof, income documents, and bank statements. Now, the bank staff has to manually enter all this information into their internal systems. After that, a loan officer logs in into different applications, one to check her credit score, another to verify income, maybe even a third one to validate her bank history. Once all that is done, a report is prepared and sent manually to the manager for approval. The whole process from form filling to final decision can easily take a week or more. And finally, Caitlin receives a call or email saying your loan has been approved. Now let's fast forward to the automated approach using SAP integration. So this time, the same person, Caitlin, applies through an online portal, no paperwork, just clicks and uploads. As soon as she hits submit button, an iFlow is triggered automatically in the background. Here is what happens in seconds, not for days. Our details are instantly sent through API to the credit bureau for a real-time credit score check, and our documents are sent to a verification provider via open connectors. Simultaneously, the system checks our income and bank history all through secure integrations with the financial backend. Now, if everything is checks out, say credit score is above 750 and income is within the approval range, the loan gets auto approved within minutes. And just like that, Caitlin receives a message that your loan is approved, funds will be credited shortly. This entire journey is powered by SAP technologies like iFlows, open connectors, APIs, and Event Mesh, all working behind the scenes. As you have seen, technologies today have evolved to a point where businesses no longer have to wait for days or even weeks to complete processes that used to be manual and time consuming. With SAP Integration Suite, organizations no longer need to chase paperwork or perform redundant data entry, significantly reducing human errors. The result is a faster, more accurate, and seamless workflow. So, to wrap up this session, I would just like to leave you with this. With SAP Integration Suite empowers businesses to respond faster to customers and automate the process for greater reliability and scalability. If you have any questions or need support in your SAP BTP journey, Mobolution is always here to help. Consider us as your trusted partner. Thank you so much for joining the session. We will be back soon with more exciting webinars. Until then, stay safe and stay tuned.